know what? I hope you're not going to act like this all day.
Well, if you don't start with me, I'll be fine.
Are you on the rag or something?
Shut up!
I think yes. Looks like the Ogopogo Lake, eh? What do you think? Ogopogo Lake?
Maybe.
Messing like a bunch of rats.
They're all rats and lemmings, then what does that make us? I like how you make me do all the work.
Hey, I brought the cooler down.
Whatever. Where's everybody?
They could be anywhere.
Well, shouldn't we go look for them?
Right now, I just want to drink my beer.
Fine.
Oh, where do you think you're going?
I gotta pee. Is that okay, your lordship?
Wow, she got very far.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you, but is there any chance you could help me out with something?
Help you out with what?
Well, with my sailboat. I'm having trouble unloading it. This cast. I really appreciate it.
You got 2 fishes? That looks like sure.
He got one. He got one. Oh, you did too. He got one. Ooh, candy. Ooh. Oh, yeah. You're over it? Over it.